What's up lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see what are the filters in Power BI and how they work. So first of all, let's understand what is this filter. So based on the selected criteria, the information and data is sorted using filters in Power BI. If we want to see some particular values within a field and want to view only information related to that, then the filter is very useful. So this is the definition about filters in Power BI. So let's see how to apply it. So the data set that we are going to use over here is Hollywood Most Profitable Stories dataset. This dataset is already used by us in our previous video. So if you want a dataset explanation, you can go and watch our previous videos for a full dataset explanation. So let's see how to use filters in Power BI. So first of all, I would like to see the worldwide rating according to the genre. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop the worldwide gross onto the task window and going to do the same thing with the genre column. So drag and drop, and here, so you can see a default chart is coming up over here. So in the filters pane, already two filters have been added up over here because we have already added two fields in our task window. So let's say I would like to see the worldwide gross for animation, comedy, drama and fantasy. So you can see over here, as I am selecting the field, the changes are taking place into this window. So there are many filters available in Power BI. So we are going to discuss them in our upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.